I'm freaking bored, so another Battlecast video or something, I don't know. Fixes everything problem, I think. Basically no sound. Haven't been here in a bit. Oh hey, the clap is still going on. Could do a collab. Or wait a second, Island of the Ash. What is that? Beast's bones and coal. And beast bone and coal. Oh, thank you. Everything down. Could do a growing color stage, but actually, do y'all want to see me get my butt wrecked in a freaking growing color stage? No? Okay. Okay. This one. And that one, because I suck. And this one. You guys get to see my freaking killer freaking yeeter. I'm done talking. I'm sorry. I'm tired. It's only, what time is it? 7:14. Yeah, just pretend that stuff is going on. Yeah. This guy. That's not a guy. That's a guy. That's a dead guy. That's a dead base. Yeah, first one. Oh my god. This is what I'm working towards. Let's try this one. Wait, I already did this one? Did I do Google Mesh? That's a veteran. No. Writer. Time to get the thing. But don't have a Uber for this, so I might sound sick. Also, the last video of this was filmed during midnight. Fun. Omayowa, listen to you. Oh, frozen. We'll check in. Just let it. Hey, I did it. I would clear into the future. I mean, time for enough cats and into the future. But at the same time, nope. I have terrible super rares. Don't even get me started on it. This is, guys, probably my just super rare for aliens. This might be my best super rare for aliens. I mean, uber super. This damages all, effective against all. That's fun. This guy is a single attack. And he's a warp walker, so that'll come in handy. Oh, he's effective against floating. That's why Bond 1 kept on getting frozen. Well, aside from the first Chronos. Or Chronos Infinite, of course. It's probably blatantly obvious that I'm sick. Or something. I don't know. Do you know? Because I don't know. And these boys are maxed out, so they be big gay. And this boy's maxed out too. Well, all that I can max it out with. Two Sniper the Cats, yeah, I want to cat catch. I want the 100% uber rare. I want to do it, but at the same time. Freaking Saber the Cat OP. Saber OP. Super has 3 forms. Nope. Saber dead. Three forms. This boy only has 2. He might have 3. As you can see, I'm not very lucky. I got 2 of these, 1 of these, well, 3 of these, 2 of these, and 1 of these. And that was with an uber rare guarantee. To be fair, I got Delinquent Cat with it. Or, I think it was Delinquent Cat, it might have been this guy. Luck is not my favoritism. Nah, it wasn't with the Uber Cat guarantee, I remember now. It was just a freaking 7. All of it. Upgrade. I said upgrade. This guy sucks. Sort of. I think, at least. Probably hear my tapping, can't you? Oh crap, it's 14 minutes long already. Well. See y'all next time. Yeet.